Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. And I found the most easiest way and the best way for doing this. Alright, first make a short video on Snapchat. Then tap on the plus icon for adding a video from your camera roll. From here tap on import media and from here select the video that you want to use. From there, tap on accept. And from here, we select two videos, one of 2 seconds and one of 6 seconds. Then do preview. And from here, hold one video and then tap on the minus icon for deleting that video. Now then do accept again. And now we just imported media from our camera roll, and from here we can send this as a snap. Alright, now if we do send to and then tap on the person that I want to send it to and then do send, you will see that we send the snap as we want to Sarah, and this is exactly the best way how you can do this. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.